Understanding spoken French is difficult. Listen.
Je sais pas. Je sais pas répondre à cette question. On sait que jusqu'au 2 juin, je pourrais pas partir en vacances à plus de 100 kilomètres. Mais en tout cas, si le mariage était début juin avec 200 personnes, je pense que ça aurait été tendu.
Oh, what did he just say? I know you might be thinking, I know all of those words, but for some reason, none of this made any sense to me. And this is why today I'm going to break down what you might be missing from common spoken French. Bonjour, I'm Géraldine, your French teacher. Welcome to Comme une Française. Today, like every Tuesday, I'm here to help you get better at speaking and understanding everyday French.
Je sais pas. Je sais pas répondre à cette question.
This is our new health minister, Olivier Véran, who is answering the question, can I get married in August from the French media company Combini? He's not speaking slang, he's not especially talking to intimate friends, he's not trying to mimic youth culture, but he simply speaks casual, everyday, modern French as the health minister. And did you notice he made a tiny grammatical mistake? He said je sais pas instead of je ne sais pas, I don't know, which is what your French teacher, Madame Martin, maybe taught you at school. And it's the same with je sais pas répondre à cette question. Je sais pas répondre à cette question. I don't know how to answer this question. Instead of je ne sais pas répondre à cette question.
Je sais pas. Je sais pas répondre à cette question.
That's a very common casual thing in everyday spoken French. You probably learned at school that la négation is ne plus pas. Ne plus pas. But in everyday modern French, we drop the ne and we only use pas. As in, je n'ai pas compris that you learned at school becomes j'ai pas compris in real life. J'ai pas compris. I didn't understand. In fast spoken French, we also eat letters, especially in je and le before a consonant. Listen.
On sait que jusqu'au 2 juin, je pourrais pas partir en vacances à plus de 100 kilomètres.
Here, the subtitles say, on sait que jusqu'au 2 juin, je ne pourrai pas partir en vacances à plus de 100 kilomètres. We know that until June the 2nd, I won't be able to go on a vacation more than 100 kilometers away. And by the way, Olivier Véran lives in Grenoble, so we're going to have the same holiday options this summer, if he takes any. But that's the cleaner version, because for subtitles we use grammatically correct French. What we really hear in the extract is more on sait que jusqu'au 2 juin, je pourrais pas partir en vacances à plus de 100 kilomètres. Notice also here that he dropped the ne. He doesn't say je ne pourrais pas.
Mais en tout cas, si le mariage était début juin avec 200 personnes, je pense que ça aurait été tendu.
And here the subtitles say, mais en tout cas, si le mariage était début juin avec 200 personnes, je pense que ça aurait été tendu. But in any case, if the wedding was in early June with 200 people, I think it would have been difficult. And as you can hear now, Olivier Véran is eating vowels again. We actually hear, mais en tout cas, si le mariage était début juin avec 200 personnes, je pense que ça aurait été tendu.
Mais en tout cas, si le mariage était début juin avec 200 personnes, je pense que ça aurait été tendu.
Tendu usually means tense, but here it is casual French. We use it to say it is going to be difficult or complicated. Tendu. Casual vocabulary like this is a big part of everyday spoken French. It's not slang, it's not inappropriate either, but it's a casual modern French that you're not going to read in official written French or in your textbook, for example. There are lots of casual vocabulary in French. We have some verbs for eating, for example, that have different meanings, like gober, for example, or casual expressions as well, like y a pas de souci, there's no problem, and way more. So that's why I made this short playlist with 2 lessons for you that you should watch next if you're interested in speaking French better. I will see you in the next video. À tout de suite.